Hello, this is Revti. Welcome back to my channel and welcome again. Thank you so much for your love and support that you're showing towards my channel. And I know I have to improve a lot, but today I came up with another video which is 2026 makeup trends. So far the 2026 makeup is all about soft glam clean girl makeup. So create this look for you all in today's video. Hope you will love this, and I'm so far loving this. Any further ado, let's get into the video. Love this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. So let's get into the video. Did nothing to my face, not even skincare. I just applied little thin. Sure, no hair is falling on your face, so that it'll be very easy for you. Is all prepped before doing your makeup. Gives me a nice base to my face. Dry fix is all about, as I told you before, like soft glam clean makeup, bit of moisturizer that your skin is moistured enough. Lip balm to my lip, or there is no product. Brush your brows, any brow gel or anything that you apply it evenly. So just apply a little bit. You can see the difference like this. Two primers, one is from Lakme and the other one is from Essay, and apply. Do not drag it, but blend it. Heavy base, if you're doing heavy based makeup or as any light based, make sure you apply your primer first. Now while this primer is setting, love to do my eyes before, so fall out on your face, it will not disturb the palette, like something like this, and you can apply it on your eyelid as a first layer. Okay, right now I'm applying my concealer first, and then I'll do that light shade. Okay, shade, and applying it as a powder. Okay, shade, tap the excess and apply this with a lighter strokes on a circular motion. You apply this. Okay, no creases, right? And you can see it's looking perfect. Shade from your palette, any darker excess, and apply it to the corners and take it inside your eye. Okay, it should look something like this. If you want any color, you can add any color to it, brown shade to it. As you can see, there is in the inner corner. Just apply it like this, and here also. Once that is done, shimmer shades from your palette. It can be glitter shimmer. The dark shade you are applying, it should be at the outer corner, and slightly it should go upward towards the inner corner, so that it defines and it gives a very natural look to your eyes. And then if you want, you can apply any shade of color or any pop of color to your eyes, and just apply it in the center of your lid. This corner, not towards inner corner, not to the outer corner, just in the center. Just in the center. With shimmer or any highlighter that you have, you apply to the inner corner of your eyes, just here. Okay, that makes your eye look bigger. Like if you are okay with this, you can just leave it just like that, and tight line your eyes and hold it like this. Eye like this, way to your eyes, halfway, not completely, just halfway. Now take any liner, draw a line halfway, try to join it. Okay, do not take it inside your eye, from halfway try to join it. All set. You can see this is how the eye makeup is. Now you can just clean up the fallout, the excess, whatever you have, you have to just clean it out. So 2026 is all about applying any skin tint which is closer to your skin match. But skin tints, I have this Maybelline and also the Milk one. So today I would love to use this Maybelline one, the Glam and Clean Girl Glam. Just take little bit of it and a bit at the back of your hand, blend it and even the foundation properly, and then apply it. So that first start with your nose and then go to the entire face. Start with the nose, this is the starting point, and go like this, and also take it down to your neck. It's giving me that skin like finish. Make sure you're using your concealer which is little bit 2 or 3 shades lighter than your skin tone. Enough concealer brush, just do it like this and leave it. Do not blend it completely. Now just bronzer or anything, you have to take at the back of your hand like this. Take at the back of your hand, blend the sponge, and then make sure you even it out in a L shape. Well, because forehead, if you cover it, whatever the more, if you have more space to your forehead, this covers your forehead. So and apply it to the sides of your nose, here to the tip of your nose, both the sides, and from your eyebrow, just make sure you apply something like this. You just bring it downward like this, little concealer, and blend it. The concealer to blend. If you wait for that 60 seconds, you can see how seamlessly this concealer is blending without any creases. You can see there is no crease here. Using this dalba spray, and make sure you blend all the products once, your base products all set with the base. Now we have to give some color to our face. Blushes, which is a lighter one and slightly darker one. Worry like how this is going to look. If you want, you can go further. Face, apply your blush in a L shape. Okay, and most of the time I don't like bringing it towards inside. We can also do that, but that will make your face look round. Now it's time for the powders. Just take any puff like this, take the powder, look like this, and make sure you're evening out the powder, even it properly, and then after that it should look like this. And from the inner corner of your eyes, make sure you take it upward, bring it downward to your lips. You can also apply any skin tint. Always take it upwards, not, remove the lip balm before, little bit down. Now the 2026 makeup is that, oh, you're not supposed to bring it all the way down. Before we used to bring it all the way down. Now we are just doing like this. You can see the difference. Your lips, this one is looking little bit, this side of lip is looking little bit powdered compared to this one. This one is flat and this one is powdered like this, and leave it. Do not take it down in between of your lips. Do not drag it, just in between. This is how the 2026 trend is. Like, do not apply so dark shades on your lips the time, because this will give me that shimmered look. This make my lips more powdered. Just love this lip combo. Highlighter, so you have to you can use any powdered highlighters, or else you can use any liquid highlighter. A little bit like that, and to your nose, you just go upward. Is mascara. Whenever you're applying mascara, first forward and backward motion all over the eyes. Before inside, pull it up. A good volumized power, or which gives good volume to the eyes. And do not forget to apply your down lashes. Essence mascara. You can see my lashes, they're so good. But not the least, you just have to use The final step as setting spray, this dalba spray, leave it like this, and then just blend it if you don't want so much of shine to your face. This is my 2026 makeup. Hope you love it. This makeup piece, and yeah, that's it. That's my makeup all about. Hope you loved it. You can see up close and person. This is so light and soft, right? See you in the next one. Bye. Lots of love.